Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss the word problem that is starting from question number 4. So lecture 5. So let's see the question number 4. The present age of Rahman be x and the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age from 3 years from now and 3 years from ago, that is 3 years before, and 5 years from now is 1/3. This is given in the question, right? So let the present age be x and then age will be what 3 years ago, x minus 3. Ago means before. So 3 years before his age was x minus 3 and 5 years from now, that is after 5 years his age will be x plus 5 because present age is taken as x. So plus minus has to be done accordingly. Okay. Now according to question, the sum of the reciprocals of ages, right? So reciprocal means 1 upon x minus 3 and reciprocal of this term is 1 upon x plus 5. So the sum of reciprocals is given as 1/3, right? Now I am taking LCM x minus 3 or x plus 5, right? And by cross multiplication x plus 5 plus x minus 3. So x or x 2x, 5 minus 3 2, so 2x plus 2, and find the product of these two expression and get the quadratic equation and simplify that, right? So try that questions. Now I am taking the question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Saifali marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. So find her marks in the 2 subjects. So sum of marks maths and English is given as 30, right? So we may take the individual marks. Let the marks score in mathematics be x and then English would be 30 minus x because sum is given as 30. So if in maths the score is x, so ultimately the remaining score would be 30 minus x in English subject. So now it is given the product of these marks, that is if 2 marks more in maths, so x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English, then the product would have been given 210. This is according to questions. So 2 marks more in maths, so maths score is taken as x, 2 marks more means x plus 2 into 3 marks less in English, so English score is 30 minus x, 3 less means minus 3, and the product is given as 210, so equals to 210. Now x plus 2 into this 27 minus x equals to 210 and simplify the equations multiplying, okay, 210 transposing this, so we will get the quadratic equation x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0. Now do the prime factor of 156, right, and find the numbers so that plus comes 25, or you can use completing the square of quadratic formula if you do not wish to apply factorization method. So it is up to you, you have 3 methods, right? So any method, suitable method which you find, you can apply to solve this question. Now question number 6. The diagonal of the rectangular field, so there is a rectangle ABCD is given and diagonal BD we have taken because AC is also the diagonal. So one of the diagonal is taken, that is BD. So the length of this diagonal is 60 more than the shorter side. So let the shorter side which appears to be in this figure is BC, that is breadth of the rectangle taken as x. So according to question, the diagonal is 60 meter more than its shorter side. So shorter side is taken as x, so diagonal will be 60 plus x. And further the longer side means this length is 30 meter more than the shorter side. So shorter side is taken as x, so 30 more means 30 plus x. Since we know that in the rectangle the angle A must be having the measure 90 degree. So apply the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle ABD. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? That is square of hypotenuse equals to sum of the squares of perpendicular and base. So hypotenuse is what? The side opposite to 90 degree. So in this figure this side BD, that is diagonal is what? 60 plus x, which is taken as hypotenuse. So 60 plus x whole square, and perpendicular means this AD, that is x square, plus base means 30 plus x, right, square. So now simplifying by using a plus b whole square. So 3600 plus x square 120x equals to x square as it is 30 plus x whole square. So x square 900, x square plus 60x will come. And now transposing the 3600 and 120x to this side. So we get sign change, minus and minus equals to 0, or 60 minus 120 60x, and 900 minus 3600 is minus 2700 equals to 0. So now we see that the product of 90 and 30 is 2700, and 90 minus 30 equals to 60. Okay, so 60 is coming. So we can use what factorization method by taking number 90 and 30. Okay, and you can use the another method, completing the square method or quadratic formula to solve the same question, and you will find what the value will be coming same. Right, and there are 2-3 questions left, which same related question we have already done in the previous exercise. So I expect you all guys should try these questions, and if you have doubt you can ask it. Thank you.